Cancun International Traffic, Lufthansa 777, taxiing to runway 12 right. Cancun International Traffic, United 1123 Heavy is taking off runway 12 right, departing straight out.
Cancun International Traffic, Delta 737 Heavy, taxiing to runway 12 right.
Cancun International Traffic, Spirit Wing 777 is taking off runway 12 right, departing straight out.
Cancun International Traffic, Tango Charlie Juliet Lima Foxtrot is 17 nautical miles to the northeast at 10,900 feet, inbound for landing, will make right traffic for runway 12 right.
Cancun international traffic, Delta 737 Heavy is taking off runway 12 right, departing east.
Charlie Juliet Lima Foxtrot is 13 nautical miles to the northwest at 3,300 feet, inbound for landing, will make left traffic for runway 12 right. Cancun international traffic, Tango Charlie Juliet Lima Foxtrot is 15 nautical miles to the northwest at 2,000 feet, inbound for landing, will make straight in for runway 12 right.
Juliet Bravo is 34 nautical miles south of Cat K at 21,800 feet, requesting radar vectors to Miami International.
Contacting Miami approach on 125.75, French 3742.
American 524, requesting descent via the NFSH to arrival.
American 1022 is 3 nautical miles east of Miami International at 1,400 feet, requesting flight following to Linden Pending.
November 327 Juliet Bravo, unable at this time, proceed on course to Miami International. Spirit Wing 09 is 13 nautical miles east of Palm Beach at 10,700 feet, requesting flight following to Fort Lauderdale. Roger, November 327 Juliet Bravo. American 1022, proceed on course to Linden Pending. Miami Low Center, American 1212, review at 28,000. American 524, proceed as requested. American 1212, radar contact. American 1212, requesting descent via vice to arrival. American 1212, proceed as requested. Descending via vice to arrival, American 1212.
Descending via Siesta to arrival, Emirates 6 Lima heading.
Delta 968, contact Miami approach on 125.75. Contacting Miami approach on 125.75, Delta 968.
Miami Low Center, Juliet Tango Papa, review at 2,400.
Argentina 711, frequency change approved, good day. November 519 Hotel Papa is 4 nautical miles north of Airport Manatee at 17,800 feet, requesting flight following to Miami International. Proceed on course, November 519 Hotel Papa. Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy, request frequency change. Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy, stay on my frequency. Spirit Wing 09, frequency change approved, good day. Lufthansa 2022 Super, request frequency change. Delta 841 Heavy, do not exceed 270 knots. Do not exceed 270 knots, Delta 841 Heavy. Frequency change approved, Spirit Wing 09, good day. Lufthansa 2022 Super, stay on my frequency. Miami Low Center, Condor 2044 Heavy, review at 40,000. Miami Low Center, American 2212, review at 35,000. Condor 2044 Heavy, radar contact. Global 252, requesting descent via sound of re-arrival.
Air Transat 555 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy is 4 nautical miles east of Miami International at 1,800 feet, requesting flight following to Jose Maria.
Air Transat 555 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy, proceed on course to Jose Maria.
Proceed on course, Air Transat 555 Alpha Foxtrot Heavy.
Lufthansa 2022 Super, requesting descent via the NFSH to arrival. American 2212, radar contact. Lufthansa 2022 Super, proceed as requested. Descending via the NFSH to arrival, Lufthansa 2022 Super. Descending via sound of re-arrival, Global 252. Delta 841 Heavy, contact Miami approach on 125.75. Delta 123 Alpha Alpha, requesting climb to flight level 380. Contacting Miami approach on 125.75, Delta 841 Heavy. Delta 2158 is 8 nautical miles southwest of Palm Beach at 16,500 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. Delta 123 Alpha Alpha, altitude at your discretion. Contacting Miami approach on 125.75, November 327 Juliet Bravo. Delta 2158, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. Roger, Delta 2158. Miami Low Center, Matrix 187 Heavy, review at 17,000. Miami Low Center, Speedbird 207 Super, review at 4,000. Spirit Wing 777 is 16 nautical miles northwest of Florida at 17,500 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Miami Low Center, November 618 Romeo Lima, review at 7,000. Matrix 187 Heavy, radar contact. Speedbird 207 Super, radar contact. Speedbird 207 Super, turn right heading 360. American 1212 is 28 nautical miles south of Cat K at 18,700 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Matrix 187 Heavy is 1 nautical miles east of North Ferry at 17,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. American 1212, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Matrix 187 Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Miami Low Center, Delta 605 Heavy, review at 11,400. Matrix 187 Heavy, contact Miami approach on 125.75. Contacting Miami approach on 125.75, Matrix 187 Heavy.
Air China 327 Heavy at 12 nautical miles north of Miami Executive at 4,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International.
November 327 Juliet Bravo is 27 nautical miles west of Cat K at 16,000 feet, requesting radar vectors to Miami International. Contacting Miami approach on 125.75, November 327 Juliet Bravo. Lufthansa 2022 Super, contact Miami approach on 125.75. November 519 Hotel Papa is 3 nautical miles northwest of Hennessy at 28,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. Contacting Miami approach on 125.75, Delta 2158.
Air Transat 555 Alpha Foxtrot heading, request frequency change.
Speedbird 207 Super, contact Miami Tower on 118.3. November 930 Foxtrot Delta, request frequency change. American 1212, contact Miami approach on 125.75. Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha heading, contact Miami approach on 125.75. Spirit Wings 777, contact Miami approach on 125.75. Air Transat 555 Alpha Foxtrot heading, avoid sending duplicate messages. American 881 heading, proceed on course to Linden, England.
Thank you. Air Transat 555 Alpha Foxtrot heading.
Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha heading, contact Miami approach on 125.75. Condor 2044 heavy, proceed as requested. Descending via the NFSH to arrival, Condor 2044 heavy. Delta 933, frequency change approved, good day. Roger, November 519 Hotel Papa. Frequency change approved, Delta 933, good day. November 930 Foxtrot Delta, request frequency change. American 426, request frequency change. November 930 Foxtrot Delta, frequency change approved, good day. United 1123 heavy, contact Miami approach on 125.75. American 377, altitude at your discretion. Contacting Miami approach on 125.75, United 1123 heavy. American 426, contact Nassau approach on 121.0. Contacting Nassau Center on 127.0, American 426.
Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha, requesting descent via Frogs for arrival.
Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha, proceed as requested.
Descending via Frogs for arrival, Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha.
JetBlue 583 is 5 nautical miles south of Orlando International at 4,800 feet, requesting flight following to Linden, England.
Miami Low Center, Southwest 1089, with you at 36,000.
Southwest 1089, radar contact. Miami Low Center, Beaver 213, with you at 4,000.
Singapore 109 is 12 nautical miles east of Okalota at 7,900 feet, requesting flight following to John F. Kennedy.
Southwest 1089, requesting flight following to Miami International.
Singapore 109, proceed on course to John F. Kennedy. Beaver 213, radar contact. American 377, request frequency change.
Proceed on course, Singapore 109.
JetBlue 583, proceed on course to Linden, England. Korean Air 339, requesting climb to flight level 210. Proceed on course, JetBlue 583. American 377, stay on my frequency. Southwest 1089, proceed on course to Miami International.
Air India 747 Super, requesting GPS approach runway 9 at Miami International.
Proceed on course, Southwest 1089.
Korean Air 339, altitude at your discretion. Air India 747 Super, continuous file, expected GPS approach runway 9 at Miami International. Miami Low Center, Tango 7 Delta November Kilo, with you at 1,000.
Roger, Air India 747 Super.
Miami Low Center, Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo, with you at 36,000.
Virgin 118 Heavy is 8 nautical miles east of Miami International at 3,600 feet, requesting flight following to London Heathrow.
Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo, contact Nassau Center on 127.0. Contacting Nassau Center on 127.0, Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo. Tango 7 Delta November Kilo, radar contact. Virgin 118 Heavy, proceed on course to London Heathrow.
Proceed on course, Virgin 118 Heavy.
Delta 737 Heavy, contact Miami approach on 125.75. Spirit Wings 3154, radar contact. Miami Low Center, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November. Spirit Wings 3154 is 23 nautical miles east of Palm Beach at 33,700 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International.
Delta 737 Heavy is 18 nautical miles west of Olmsted General at 14,000 feet, requesting visual approach runway 9 at Miami International.
Delta 841 Heavy, do not exceed 200 knots. Delta 968, turn right heading 360. Executing missed approach, turn right heading 250, descend and maintain 3000, Speedbird 207 Super. Global 252, descend and maintain 2000, maintain. Delta 737 Heavy, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. French D742, please.
Roger, Delta 737 Heavy.
Delta 841 Heavy, turn left heading 270.
Stand by.
Delta 737 Heavy, descend and maintain 2000, turn right heading.
Descend and maintain 2000, Delta 737 Heavy.
Global 252, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final.
Emirates 6 Lima Heavy is 2 nautical miles southwest of Palm Beach at 19,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Global 252. Global 252. Contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3. Global 252. French E742. Contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Matrix 187 Heavy. Contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Delta 737 Heavy. Please expedite altitude change. November 327 Juliet Bravo. Turn right heading 350. Descend and maintain 5000. UPS 9214. Turn right heading 350. November 327 Juliet Bravo. Delta 841 Heavy. Descend and maintain 3000.
Roger. Emirates 6 Lima Heavy.
Descend and maintain 3000. Delta 841 Heavy. Lufthansa 1888. Contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3. Lufthansa 1888. Delta 2158. Turn right heading 170. Lufthansa 2022 Super. Turn left heading 180. Turn right heading 170. Delta 2158. November 327 Juliet Bravo. Please expedite altitude change. Turn left heading 180. Lufthansa 2022 Super. Spirit Wings 777. Please expedite altitude change. Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy. Turn right heading 280. November 32 Oscar Hotel. Airport is unable to accept arriving traffic. Please divert to a suitable airport. Turn right heading 280. Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy. Contacting Miami Low Center on 127.0. November 32 Oscar Hotel. UPS 9214. Expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Spirit Wings 777 is 11 nautical miles northwest of Maid at 5,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. American 1212, turn left heading 270. Descend and maintain 2000, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9, Spirit Wings 777. Delta 2158, turn right heading 180. November 327 Juliet Bravo, turn right heading 060, descend and maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9 approach. Reduce speed to 180 knots, Delta 2158. Turn left heading 170, United 1123 Heavy. Lufthansa 2022 Super, turn left heading 120, descend and maintain 3000 until established on Delta 737 Heavy, turn left heading 360, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn left heading 360, descend and maintain 4000, Delta 737 Heavy.
Standby, American 2212, November 327 Juliet Bravo, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. November 327 Juliet Bravo, request frequency change.
Miami approach. Delta 111. With you at 11,100.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. November 327 Juliet Bravo. Spirit Wings 777. Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final.
Delta 111 is 19 nautical miles south of Dade at 11,000 feet. Requesting ILS approach any runway at Miami International.
Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3. November 327 Juliet Bravo. Turn left heading 120. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 8 left. United 1123 Heavy. Lufthansa 2022 Super. Contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Delta 2158. Turn left heading 120. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 8 left approach. Spirit Wings 777. Contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Turn right heading Delta 737 Heavy. Turn right heading 130. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 9 approach. Descend and maintain 4000. American 1212. United 1123 Heavy.
Turn right heading 130, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, clear ILS runway 9, Delta 737 Heavy.
November 519 Hotel Papa, turn left heading 120, descend and maintain 4000. Executing missed approach, turn left heading 070, climb and maintain 5000, United 1123 Heavy. Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy, turn left heading 180. Turn left heading 120, descend and maintain 4000, November 519 Hotel Papa. UPS 9214, turn right heading 180. Turn left heading 180, Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy. November 618 Romeo Lima, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Turn right heading 180, UPS 9214. Roger, November. Delta 737 Heavy, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. United 1.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Delta 737 Heavy.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Delta 841 Heavy. Unable, United 1123 Heavy. Delta 2158, contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3, Delta 2158. Miami approach, American 441 Victor Alpha, with you at 13,400, descending via the NFSH to arrival. American 441 Victor Alpha, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Roger, American 441 Victor Alpha. Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy, turn left heading 120, descend and maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 8 left approach. Turn left heading 120, descend and maintain 2000, maintain 2000 until established on a localizer, cleared ILS runway 8 left, speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy. United 1123 Heavy, turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 3000. Emirates 6 Lima Heavy, turn right heading 280. Delta 737 Heavy, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. November,
Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Delta 737 Heavy.
contacting Miami Low Center on 127.0, November 32 Oscar Hotel. Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha, descend and maintain 4000.
Descend and maintain 4000. Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha.
Delta 737 Heavy. Request frequency change.
Delta 111, maintain 4000. Delta 737 Heavy, contact Miami Tower Operator.
Contacting Miami.
Runway 8 right, 10.3577.
Contacting Miami Low Center on 127.
Miami Tower. Delta 737 Heavy. Inbound on the visual runway 9.
Miami Tower, speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 8 left. American 2990, line up and wait runway 8 right. Line up and wait runway 8 right, American 2990. Delta 2807, you're in an active airspace, please contact. Delta 737 Heavy, number 2, runway 9, cleared to land.
Number 2. Clear to land. Runway 9. Delta 737 Heavy.
Envoy 3577, contact Miami Low Center on 127.0. Crossing runway 8 right, Lufthansa 2022 Super.
Contacting Miami Low Center on 127.0, Envoy 3577.
Speedbird 207 Super, when able turn left, cross runway 12 and contact ground, please expedite traffic on final. Lufthansa 2022 Super, contact Miami ground on 121.8. Miami Tower, Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 8 left. Contacting Miami ground on 121.8, Lufthansa 2022 Super. Delta 2807, hold short of runway 9. Wilco, Speedbird 207 Super. Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy, number 2, runway 8 left, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 8 left, Speedbird 207 Bravo Alpha Heavy. American 2990, wind 290 at 4, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 8 right, American 2990. United 428, line up and wait runway 8 right. Line up and wait runway 8 right, United 428. Miami Tower, Virgin 401 Heavy, ready for departure in sequence of runway 8 right, departing straight out. Delta 841 Heavy, when able turn left, cross runway 12 and contact ground, please expedite traffic on final.
Miami Tower. United 2110. Ready for departure in sequence of runway 8 right, departing east.
United 428, wind 290 at 4, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff. United 2110, line up and wait runway 8 right.
400.
American 2990. Delta 737 Heavy, go around, make right traffic runway 9.
Going around. Make right traffic runway 9. Delta 737 Heavy.
Delta 2807, wind 290 at 4, runway 9, cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 9, Delta 2807. United 2110, wind 290 at 4, runway 8, Delta 737 Heavy, contact Miami approach on 125.75.
Contacting Miami approach on 125.75. Delta 737 Heavy.
Delta 111, number 1, runway 9, cleared to land. Maintain
Executing missed approach. Delta 737 Heavy.
November 618 Romeo Lima, turn left heading 150. Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3, Delta 737 Heavy, execute missed approach, turn right heading 240. Cross runway 12 and contact ground, please expedite traffic on final.
Miami Tower. United 2110. Ready for departure in sequence of runway 8 right, departing east.
United 428, wind 290 at 4, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff. United 2110, line up and wait runway 8 right. American 2990, contact Miami Low Center on 127.0. Cleared for takeoff, runway 8 right, United 428.
Miami Tower, Delta 111, inbound on the ILS runway 9.
Wilco, Delta 841 Heavy. Miami Tower, American 524, inbound on the ILS runway 8 left. Holding short runway 8 right, Virgin 401 Heavy. Delta 737 Heavy, go around, make right traffic runway 9.
Going around. Make right traffic runway 9. Delta 737 Heavy.
Delta 2807, wind 290 at 4, runway.
Executing missed approach. Turn right heading 240. Fly when maintain 4000. Delta 737 Heavy.
American 441 Victor Alpha, please check the user guide from the home screen for help using ATC instructions. Korean Air 339 is 18 nautical miles southeast of Oakland at 13,600 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Miami International. American 441 Victor Alpha, please follow instructions or you will be reported. American 441 Victor Alpha, turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 2000. Spirit Wings 3154, turn left heading 180. UPS 9214, contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Emirates 6 Lima Heavy, turn left heading 120, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 8 left approach. Turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 2000, American 441 Victor Alpha. Delta 737 Heavy, turn right heading 270.
Turn right heading 270, Delta 737 Heavy.
Turn right heading 320, Spirit Wings 3154. Condor 2044 Heavy is 25 nautical miles east of Palm Beach at 18,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International.
Tango Charlie Delta Romeo Mike is 5 nautical miles northwest of Miami Executive at 12,000 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at Miami International.
American 3955 is 12 nautical miles northeast of Everglades Airpark at 14,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International.
November 618 Romeo Lima, request frequency change. November 618 Romeo Lima, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Victor Hotel Romeo Oscar Oscar, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final.
Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha.
Turn right heading 030, Spirit Wings 777. Condor 2044 Heavy, continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. United 117, continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International.
Roger, United 117.
Bahamas 623 is 24 nautical miles southwest of Cat Cay at 15,000 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Miami International. Miami approach, November 749 Juliet Alpha, review at 17,500. Emirates 6 Lima Heavy, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3, Emirates 6 Lima Heavy.
Spirit Wings 777, turn right heading 060, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9 approach. American 441 Victor Alpha, turn left heading 280. Turn right heading 060, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9, Spirit Wings 777. Victor Hotel Romeo Oscar Oscar, contact Miami Tower on 118.3.
Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3, Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha. Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3, Victor Hotel Romeo Oscar Oscar.
United 755 Uniform Alpha, continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. Roger, United 755 Uniform Alpha.
United 390 Heavy is 8 nautical miles northwest of Big Cypress at 15,300 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International.
Air India 747 Super, turn right heading 320. Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo, turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 4,000. American 154 Victor Alpha is 4 nautical miles southeast of North Palm at 16,400 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 4,000, Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo. Spirit Wings 3154, turn left heading 280. Turn right heading 280, descend and maintain 3000, Korean Air 339. Turn left heading 280, Spirit Wings 3154. Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1 is 22 nautical miles southwest of Cat Cay at 15,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. American 154 Victor Alpha, continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 8 left at Miami International. Korean Air 339, turn left heading 180. Spirit Wings 777 is 11 nautical miles northwest of Miami Executive at 3,500 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Miami International. Spirit Wings 777, turn right heading 100, descend and maintain 2,000. Roger, American 154 Victor Alpha. Oscar Mike Lima Echo Tango is 25 nautical miles southwest of Cat Cay at 18,000 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Miami International. Turn right heading 280, descend and maintain 2,000, Virgin 22 Heavy. American 2955, descend and maintain 4,000. United 390 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000, United 390 Heavy.
Roger, Oscar Mike Lima Echo. Delta 737 Heavy, turn right heading 360.
Turn right heading 360, Delta 737 Heavy.
Bahamas 623, descend and maintain 4,000.
Southwest 1089 at 30 nautical miles west of West End at 24,800 feet, requesting visual approach runway 12 at Miami International.
Envoy 3557, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 9 at Miami International. American 426 is 25 nautical miles east of Ocean Reef at 14,400 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 right at Miami International. Descend and maintain 4,000, Bahamas 623. Hotel Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 9 of Miami International. Roger. Delta 737 Heavy, turn right heading 060, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9 approach.
Turn right heading 060, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9, Delta 737 Heavy.
United 755 Uniform Alpha, turn right heading 130, descend and maintain 4000. Korean Air 339, please follow instructions or you will be reported.
Descend and maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9, American 2955.
Turn right heading 130, descend and maintain 4000, United 755 Uniform Alpha. Korean Air 339, turn left heading 060, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 8 left approach. Air India 747 Super, turn left heading 280. Descend and maintain 2000, Condor 2044 Heavy. Envoy 3557, descend and maintain 4000. Alpha Lima 101 is 9 nautical miles northwest of Opa-locka at 36,900 feet, requesting radar vectors to Miami International. Continuous file, Caribbean 270 Heavy. Alpha Lima 101, frequency change approved, good day. American 441 Victor Alpha, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. American 2955, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, American 441 Victor Alpha. American 441 Victor. Delta 737 Heavy, contact Miami Tower on 118.3. United 755. Turn left heading 060, descend and maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9.
Miami Tower, Delta 737 Heavy, ground on the visual runway 9.
Spirit Wings 777, when able turn right, hold short runway 8 right. Speedbird 7726 Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Wilco, Spirit Wings 777.
Frequency change approved. Speedbird 7726 Heavy. Good day.
American 55, wind 290 at 4, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared. Delta 737 Heavy, number 1, runway 9, cleared to land.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 9, Delta 737 Heavy.
Miami Tower, Air France 886, ready for departure at runway 8 right, departing straight out. Air France 886, line up and wait runway 8 right. Line up and wait runway 8 right, Air France 886. Korean Air 339, cross runway 8 right. Crossing runway 8 right, Korean Air 339. Miami Tower, Spirit Wings 3154, inbound on the ILS runway 8 left. Air France 886, wind 290 at 4, runway 8 right. Delta 737 Heavy, when able turn left, cross runway 12 and contact ground.
Wilco, Delta 737 Heavy.
Spirit Wings 3154, number 1, runway 8 left, cleared to land. Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo, number 1, runway 9, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 9, Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 8 left, Spirit Wings 3154. American American 441 Victor Alpha, cross runway 8 right. Crossing runway 8 right, American 441 Victor Alpha. Air France 886, contact Miami low center on 127.0. Contacting Miami low center on 127.0, Air France 886. American 441 Victor Alpha, contact Miami ground on 121.8. Contacting Miami ground on 121.8. Victor Hotel Romeo Oscar Oscar, pushback approved, expect runway 9.
Pushback approved. Victor Hotel Romeo Oscar Oscar.
Miami ground, American 441 Victor Alpha, request taxi to gate D47 at the concourse gate.
Miami ground, Envoy 3699, ready for pushback with information Charlie, requesting runway 8 right.
American 441 Victor Alpha, give way to aircraft on your right. Envoy 3699, pushback approved.
Pushback approved. Envoy 3699.
Give way to aircraft, American 441 Victor Alpha. Envoy 3699, correction, standby. Envoy 3699, hold position. Miami ground, American 441 Victor Alpha, request taxi to gate D47 at the concourse D. American 441 Victor Alpha, taxi to concourse D gate D40.
Miami ground, Delta 737 Heavy, request taxi to gate G08 at the concourse D.
Delta 737 Heavy, taxi to concourse G gate G08, hold short of 1230.
Taxiing to concourse G gate G08, will hold short of 1234, Delta 737 Heavy.
Miami ground, Tattitude 367 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Delta, requesting runway 8 right.
Tattitude 367 Heavy, pushback approved. Miami ground, Speedbird 15 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 8 right.
Pushback approved. Tattitude 367 Heavy.
Speedbird 15 Heavy, taxi to runway 8 right, contact tower when ready. Air Portugal 184 Heavy, pushback approved. Taxiing to runway 8 right, Speedbird 15 Heavy. Pushback approved, Air Portugal 184 Heavy. Golf Romeo Yankee Whiskey Alpha, thank you.
Miami ground, American 2848, ready to taxi with information Delta. Taxiing to runway 8 right via 19er, Papa, Mike 1, American 2848.
Victor Hotel Romeo Oscar Oscar, taxi to runway 8 right, contact tower when ready.
Delta 737 Heavy, request permission to cross runway 30.
Delta 737 Heavy, you are already instructed to cross the runway.
Roger, Delta 737 Heavy.
Envoy 3699, pushback approved. Miami ground, Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo, request taxi to parking.
Pushback approved. Envoy 3699.
Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo, taxi to parking at your discretion. Taxiing to parking, Air Force 47 Alpha Kilo.
Miami ground, Tattitude 367 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 8 right with information Delta.
Envoy 206 November, contact Miami Tower on 118.3. American 422 Papa Romeo, contact Miami Tower on 118.3. Tattitude 367 Heavy, taxi to runway 8 right, contact tower when ready. Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3, American 422 Papa Romeo.
Taxiing to runway 8 right, Tattitude 367 Heavy.
Miami ground, Air Portugal 184 Heavy, ready to taxi with information Charlie. Tattitude 367 Heavy, give way to aircraft on your left.
Contacting Miami Tower on 118.3, Envoy 206 November. Give way to aircraft, Tattitude 367 Heavy.
Miami ground, Spirit Wings 3154, request taxi to gate G10 at the concourse D.
Miami ground, Ryanair 691, ready for pushback with information Delta.
Air Portugal 184 Heavy, taxi to runway 8 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 8 right, Air Portugal 184 Heavy. Ryanair 691, pushback approved. Spirit Wings 3154, taxi to concourse G gate G10. Aeroflot 370 Super, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, Shamrock 691 Heavy.
Pushback approved, Aeroflot 370 Super.
Miami ground, TAM 998, ready for pushback with information Delta.
Miami ground, Taran 032, ready for pushback with information Delta.
Miami ground, American 14, ready for pushback with information Delta, requesting runway 8 right.
Miami ground, November 618 Romeo Lima, ready for pushback with information Delta, requesting runway 8 right. Tango Charlie Oscar Zulu Tango, pushback approved. November 618 Romeo Lima, pushback approved. TAM 998, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Tango Charlie Oscar Zulu Tango. Air India 747 Super, taxi to parking at your discretion. American 14, pushback approved.
Miami ground, Envoy 3699, ready to taxi with information Charlie.
Taram 032, pushback approved. Envoy 3699, taxi to runway 8 right, contact tower when ready. Taram 032, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Taram 032. Miami ground, Aeroflot 370 Super, ready to taxi with information Delta. Pushback approved, November 618 Romeo Lima. American 2300, pushback approved. Miami ground, November 618 Romeo Lima, ready to taxi to runway 8 right with information Delta.
Miami ground, Shamrock 691 Heavy, ready to taxi with information Delta.
Pushback approved, American 2300.
Miami ground, Air India 747 Super, request taxi to gate J12 at the Hong Kong State.
Aeroflot 370 Super, runway 8 right, taxi via 18, depart, Mike 1, contact tower when ready. Air India 747 Super, taxi to concourse J gate J12.
Thank you, Air India 747 Super.
Miami ground, Tango Charlie Oscar Zulu Tango, ready to taxi to runway 8 right with information Delta.
Taxiing to runway 8 right, Shamrock 691 Heavy.
Miami ground, TAM 998, ready to taxi with information Delta.
Miami ground, Taram 032, ready to taxi with information Delta.